model, 71 Peugeot Boxer Relay L4h2 2.2 HDI non-runner needs repair 60k miles no VAT. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 60,691. MOT, the 31st of August 2025. Engine, 2179 ccDW12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and want turnover, engine has seized. So will need repairing or replacing genuine, low mileage, no VAT bargain, grin. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, cruise control, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £13,495 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.